And now we'll introduce our live act for tonight. They performed at our family Thunder, did a fantastic job. And we welcome back the Monster Squad. Give a round of applause, guys, come on.
Lovers and girls so free, but you only with the fatness. You don't even know what the hell is. You got to pay your way just for shorty being meant to look your way. The way you work it, chomps out all night every day. You're blowing my mind, baby, in time. I'm gonna get you in my life. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I wanna bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I wanna bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I wanna bag it up. I like the way you work it. Now everybody in the house, let me hear you sing. Play on, play on, play on, play on. That girl is good. Play on, play on, play on, play on. Come on, man. Play on, play on, play on. 'Cause you're my kind of girl now. I like the way you work it. No diggity. Let's go, Chris. No diggity, I wanna bag it up. Cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money, dollar, dollar bill. Hey, keep clapping your hands. Don't stop clapping your hands. Come on. Fleetwood Town, it's time to get down. Fleetwood Town, it's time to get down. Come on, come on. the best. Fleetwood Town, you know you are. Let me hear you now. Cream, it on chopper. Cream, you will cop. Whoa, cream, don't you ever stop me. Cream, shampoo, yeah, pop. Na 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 na. Cream, come on now. It on chopper. Cream, baby, you will cop. Whoa, cream, don't you ever stop me. Cream, shampoo, yeah, pop. Na 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 na. Cream, come on now. Thank you. Gonna do another Prince one for you. Guess I should've known by the way you parked your car sideways that it wouldn't last. 'Cause you're the type of person who believes in midnight once, love a believer fast. Guess I must be dumb 'cause you're the pocket full of horses, drugs and then some other beauty. But it was Saturday night, I guess I mixed it all right. And you said, what have you got to lose? Let me hear you say, little red Corvette. Honey, you're just too fast. Little red Corvette. Got to find a lover that's gonna last. I guess I should've closed my eyes when you drove me to the place that your horse run free. 'Cause I felt a little ooh when I saw all the pictures of the jockeys who were there before me. Believe it or not, I started to worry, wondering if I had a love flash. But it was Saturday night, I guess I mixed it all right. And you said, baby, have you got a love gas? Let me hear you now. Little red Corvette. Honey, you got to slow down. Little red Corvette now. Got to find a lover that's gonna last. This body like butter, dripping on the buttons of my jeans. Words on the verge of being obscene. Well, come here, baby. Give me the kiss now. Try to tame your little red love machine. Let me hear you now. Little red Corvette. Honey, you got to slow down now. Little red Corvette. Got to find a lover that's gonna last. Yes, you do. Honey, you got to slow down now. Little red Corvette. Needs to find a lover that's gonna last. Yes, you do. How do you say delightful? How do you say the groovy? How do you say the gorgeous? How do you say delight? It's time to get funky. It's time to get down. It's time to get funky. Are you ready now, Fleetwood Town? The chills that you feel on the back swear wanna be. So we gone electric guys, let's get turned out. Baby, you realize, baby, you'll see the funk inside of me. Baby, you'll see that the as a key. Contact, ready, contact, when it's time on the street, wanna hit a funk beat. Play back, follow our shoe. Chris, sing about the groove. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you one more time. On guitar, on guitar, on guitar, on guitar. Chris, hold up. We're gonna take you back to the good old days. We're gonna take you back to the times when the pianos used to sound like this.
What a great set that was from Monster Squad. Brilliant, as we were doing okay. Fantastic effort as again. Brilliant, we'll see them again soon. And 5-minute warning now, guys, because the fireworks are coming in 5 minutes. So please, take your seats. 5 minutes.
Should we shut the barriers?